Do you want to block active attacks using Shield Up mode in Windows Firewall? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Shields Up mode is an important feature in Windows Firewall that you can use to mitigate the damage during an active attack. When you face an attack, you can turn on this feature of Windows Firewall to prevent further damage from the attack. In this video, we will show you how to block active attacks using the Shields Up mode in Windows Firewall. Let's get started. Method 1. Windows Settings. Click on Windows Search and type Windows Security. Click on the matched result. Select the Firewall and Network Protection category from the left side. On the right side, click on the network for which you want to enable this feature. Under the Incoming Connections section, enable Block All Incoming Connections including those in the list of allowed apps option. Click Yes in the USE prompt. Method 2. The Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Switch the View by mode to large icons. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on the Turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off link on the left side. Select the Block All Incoming Connections including those in the list of allowed apps checkbox for your network. By default, Windows Firewall allows traffic as defined in the exception list. However, if the Shields Up mode is active, Windows Firewall blocks all incoming connections, overriding the previous exceptions. So turning on this feature only if your network is under attack is suggested. Once the attack is over, turn this feature off again. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.